Okay, so this is our Plugo letters. I was not prepared for how much I love this thing. So it's augmented reality, and I really like that even though they're using the iPad, they're actually using physical objects. They're not just sitting here staring on a screen and typing at it. So it comes with this trunk. It's magnetic. You keep all the letters in there, and then it just attaches to this game pad magnetically. You put your iPad in the slot right there, and then you'll open Plugo. You have the option to set profiles, like Harry and Arabella each have their own profile. I'm really excited to try more of these Plugo things. So we have the letters. You select that, tells you what to do to set it up. And then you pick which game you want to play for the letters. Kids really, really love the fish one right now. Different ways of showing how to spell letters. They love Mumbo Jumbo and the fish. So it does a variety of different ways that you have to figure out what letters it is, which I really, really like. It really helps with sequencing because sometimes we struggle with that. And so as they figure out the letters, they just put them in these little windows and it reads it from the back.
What did Baba hatch from? E.
What do you need next?
G.
Another G.
Mm-hmm.
R.
What's next?
Oh.
Yeah.
O.
A.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Excellent. What makes the R sound, babe? R.
This is another O.
R. Roar.
What are you guys doing?
Frog.
You spelling frog?
R.
R is next. Nice job.